Tiri kuenderera mberi nequestion paper redu June 2016 paper 1 Simsec ordinary level mathematics. Tava pa question number 3 out of 28 questions. Question yedu iri kuti it is given that 01827 is a pattern. State the next term of the pattern. Sa indo a yedu taudzwa kuti 01827 is a pattern. So you can state the next term on the pattern or state the next term of the pattern. Mawekera tunoita ma questions aya. When I present my solutions, I want to take you through a thinking process. Handisuda ngokupai ma answer. Ndoda kuti tiende tese tenderane mukufunga. Kuitira kuti paunozosanganawo nequestion iyi uri wega, unenge utori ne mental exercise yekuti ndofanga wafunga sei kuti ndisvike pa solution. So ideally kana tichishanda nema number patterns, maitiro tinomaita ndeaya. Tinotsvaga ma numbers ari in between. Tikati 1 minus 0 ndi 1. Then todai so toti 8 minus 1 ndi 7. Then todai so tawatati 27 minus 8 ndi 19. Then totarisa ma numbers are in between aya. Totsvaga a pattern. Tikatarisa 1719 hatisikuona a clear pattern. Kureva kuti we are not going to use the ideal modus operandi. Hatisi kuzoshandisa mawekero atinowanzo kuita ideally kana shanda nema number patterns. Takutofangwa kutsvaga another pattern iripo apa. So let us do it. Tikatarisa panapa tinoona kuti 0 ngangoramba ari 0. Then tikati 1 cubed. Kuti 1 cubed kuti 1 times 1 times 1. So 1 cubed ndi 1. Then tikaya panapa tikati 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 ndi 8. Tikaya panapa tikati 3 cubed. 3 times 3 ndi 9. 9 times 3 ndi 27. Kureva kuti here we should have 4 cubed. Saka umwe angona kufunza kuti ko ma patterns atinomaona sei? There is no quick answer pakuona ma patterns. Kuti one ma patterns you should practice mathematics. Kuita ma number patterns as many as you can. Luckily unosangana ne ma number patterns wakamboona or you develop the necessary thinking process unoita kuti uzokwanisa ku solve ma number patterns. Kureva kuti our answer here is going to be 01827. Then takuda kuziva kuti 4 cubed ndiyani. So 4 times 4 ndi 16. What is 16 times 4? Saka tikati 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. 2 panapa. 4 times 1 ndi 4, 5, 6. Kureva kuti our answer is going to be 64. This is how we solve number patterns. The next number of the pattern is 64. B yedu iri kuti a length h measured to 1 decimal place is given as 9.5 centimeters. State its limits. Saka 9.5 centimeters means it has been measured to 1 decimal place. Saka we need to find out what are the limits of this. So chekutanga toda kuziva lower limit. Kureva kuti the lowest number which can be measured to 1 decimal place and give us 9.5. Then toda kuziva upper limit. Upper limit ndo number wombesa inogona kumeasurewa to 1 decimal place ichitipa 9.5. So what is our lower limit? The lowest number which can be measured to 1 decimal place and give us 9.5. The lowest number iri measured to 1 decimal place ichitipa 9.5 9.45. What about the highest number, kana kuti our upper limit? Kachiti upper limit tiri kuti this is the highest number yokuti kana tikai expressa kana tikai measure to one decimal place ichatipa 9.5. Our upper limit is going to be 9.54 because the moment tikangoti 9.55 zvoreva kuti tikairounda to one decimal place ichava 9.6. Saka our lower limit is 9.45, our upper limit is 9.54. manyorero atinoita answer edu ndeaya. Taudzwa isusu paquestion kuti a length h, saka length yedu yatopiwa chi zita, it's h. This length h is measured to one decimal place and it is giving 9.5 centimeters. Kureva kuti h should be greater than or equal to 9.45, at the same time less than or equal to 9.54. Sa doma representero atinoita ma limits, toma representa tishandisa ma inequalities. We have a problem again, the same problem yatasangana nayo in question number 2. Kuti the answer which is provided in the green book is not agreeing with the answer which Vanyemba is providing. Not to say kuti Vanyemba is intelligent life, kana kuti Vanyemba is some super genius. But tatsanangura in question 2 kuti it happens with these suggested solutions. Sometimes vanhu vanogadzira ma green book aya, they are not from ZIMSEC. And sometimes they are from ZIMSEC, but because they are human, they can also make mistakes. Answer iri kuprovidiwa neZIMSEC, we are just going to say ZIMSEC because a green book. It's 9.45 less than or equal to h, which is less than 9.5. And there are problems with this answer. Because kana vachiti the upper limit is 9.5. Ko tikatora 9.51. Tikada kuexpressa 9.51 to one decimal place, haitiperi 9.5. Inotipa 9.5 because 1-ish haina a rounding off effect. Saka this is the problem with my green books sometimes. So the answer, it's 9.45 less than or equal to h, which is less than or equal to 9.54. If you have questions pertaining to mawekero ataita this question, you are free to ask in the comment section. If you have any other ZIMSEC Cambridge ordinary level mathematics questions, you can send them directly. Mema kutonotarisa ma details are in this YouTube channel. You'll find my email, you might find my phone numbers. You can send the question via WhatsApp, via email, or any other means. Or simply, unogona go type your question in the comment section and I will attend to it. Kune vese vari kushandisa ma videos aya to prepare for your ZIMSEC Cambridge Matric final examinations, I wish you justice. Please subscribe, like and share kana mabatsirika. Just discovered kuti more than 80% of people who are watching these videos, potentially or possibly benefiting from them, they are not subscribing. If you do not subscribe, you do not gain enough traction to help other students who are out there who are in need of help in ordinary level mathematics. So please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.